Hello YouTube, I'm out in the woods again. What is it? Good Friday, bank holiday, beautiful sunny day. I'm boiling. I've came out into the woods to show you something. Now, last November it was, I saw something on wish.com and I thought, no way, it can't be. Victorinox Swiss Champ. It wasn't called that. It was called Army Swiss Tool, I don't know, but the photo was of a Swiss Champ. You know the Swiss Champ, the big do-it-all Victorinox amazing tool. Well, I bought one, £9.50 with £6 postage it cost me, and it's in here. Now I have had a quick look, but I'm going to show you it today and compare it to the real one, the real Swiss Champ, which I've had for ages and I love. So let's do a comparison and see if a £9.50 Swiss Champ is any good. Right, I'm going to try and film this in a way that you can see. I haven't done this before, so I hope that the camera stays in focus properly. Never mind. Here's the parcel. And here is the packaging. Just a plain box. There she is in all her beauty. The Wish Swiss Army knife. Now, when I took this out of the packet, one of the scales fell off. Oh, there you go. It's been glued on with super glue. But yeah, still, you can't hold that against it, can you? I mean, not too bad, is it? Super glued on. It's a good glue. Looks awesome. Right. There she is. She seems to have all the tools of the real one. The real one is here on the left. You've got your key ring, but that's on the other side. You've got your toothpick, which is on the other side. You've got your tweezers, corkscrew, glasses, screwdriver. Everything really looks good. So let's go through it one at a time and see what we've got. First of all, let's start with the big knife. Looks okay. Well, it's quite wrinkled at the top there. There's some divots in it. Yeah, it's got a big burr on that edge there. Hang on, I got some paper. Let's see how sharp it is. Oh, it's good, yeah. Really sharp. And let's have a look at the small knife, which you can hardly get your nail into the nail nick. Come on. I've got leather dye on my hands, so don't worry. Oh, that's why I've got brown stains. It's nothing to be worried about. Oh, come on. There it is. With hardly a nail nick in it. Well, you can actually see that's flat. That's not even sharpened. You can actually see that. There's no, look. Still, £9.50. Look at this one. This has been used loads. Look at the state of it. I used it fishing, I think. It's probably a bit blunt now, but it's not much better. Needs sharpening. What about the little one? Looks like I've been sharpening pencils with that one. Oh yeah. That's more like it. So apart from this one being blunt, you can see the edge needs sharpening, but the real one's better. What have we got next? Let's put those away. Oh, it's actually hitting that. Hang on. Still £9.50. What's next? Oh, it's a file with smooth sides. Pretty much smooth sides. Let's compare it. Where is it? Right. There's the difference. Look. File my nails. It's got no... It's not really a file, it's just a piece of metal. Look. The real one has even got a file on the edge, whereas this Wish one is as smooth as they come. So yeah, not the Georgie best, but oh, now it won't shut either. Oh, there it is. Never mind. A saw, a blunt saw. Let's find a decent piece of wood. Yeah, that's not the best either, is it? Let's have a look at the real one. Oop. Yeah, no comparison. Still, £9.50. Right, let's get rid of that. What have we got here? A fish descaler, measurer, disgorger thing. What have we got on here on the Wish one? No, that's the real one. This is the real one. That's the Wish one. I'm getting mixed up. You've got measuring scales on both sides on the real one. Just swap them over. Measuring scales both sides. Yeah. Nice and deep. Not really much effort. Oh. And it's loose. Yeah, okay. And it won't shut. Scissors. Oh, they're stiff. Wow. They don't look too bad. What's that paper? They work. I'm very surprised. Real Victorinox ones. Oh yeah. That's better. Okay. Scissors, well, they will cut, sort of. They keep springing away. Yeah. Oh god, that's stiff. And they won't shut properly. Unlike the real one. What's next? Pliers. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're wobbly as hell. Nice bit of peening over by hand there. Yeah, they're not. Look. They fall to the side of the spring. Look. Oh. It's not looking like such a bargain now, is it? Oh, there you go. Oh, no. Yeah. Crap. Absolute crap. Still, magnifying glass. What have we got? Ooh. Oh, it's dirty. Don't know if you can see that, but let's have a look at the Wish one. Where is it? There it is. What's that like? It's pretty crap, actually. Could you light a fire with it, do you think? Is it capable of lighting a fire? Maybe. I'm not going to try it now. Let's check it against the real one. Go away, Blue Belt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's much more intense. And it's dirty. That is much, much better. I wonder if it could actually light something today. If I could be bothered to sit here for long enough. No, I can't be bothered. But works much better. What have we got then? Screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Okay. Yeah. Probably work for a bit. Oh, the scale's fallen off again. Probably work for a bit, wouldn't it? Never mind. What now? The real tin opener. God, look how fat that is. Look. That's the real one. That's the Victorinox. Look at that. Not even been sharpened. Look at the end of the screwdriver. Not sharpened. Fat as hell. Absolutely bloody useless. Oh, the other handle just fell off. I didn't expect that. What have we got? Another screwdriver. This one's bent. Wire stripper. Bottle opener. That'll probably work, sort of, but the end's really fat. Jesus Christ. Corkscrew. Yeah. Well, the end's curled down on this one, so that's probably no good to anybody. It probably won't screw in because it's bent backwards. Nice. And you've got your little glasses screwdriver, which I'm going to make sure I put the right one back in the right one. I'm not even going to try that because it's probably made of cheese. Yeah. So that's the real one. That's good. Tweezers, good tweezers. Toothpick, which is brilliant. Pen, biro in there. This one hasn't got that. Look at it, look. Absolute piece of crap. So, don't buy Wish Swiss Army knives. I know it was £9.50 and £6 postage, but come on. It's a lifetime knife, this is. This is a lifetime knife. This will not let you down. This, I've only been looking at it and it's a piece of crap. Don't buy it. Absolute waste of time. Before we go, I've got my little Fault and Even DC3 and give the real Swiss Army knife a little bit of a tickle on the edge. Bit of really light pressure. Get rid of any burr. Use my hand as a hone, as a strop. I wish I hadn't screwed this up now. But and that was just a few seconds with a little stone. When I get home I'll sharpen it properly, but I just wanted to show you it was blunt. It was me. Officier Suisse. Don't buy the Wish one. In fact, don't buy any copy. They're crap. Especially not the Wish one. A lot of stuff from Wish can be quite good, but don't buy this. Do buy this. Spend the money. Buy it nice or buy it twice. You know? What do they say? Buy once, cry once. It's a lifetime knife. It'll last you forever. Pass it down to your children. Buy it nice or buy it twice. Now I've got to pick all my rubbish up and I'm going to make myself a cup of tea and I'm probably going to do another video. See you later.